What's good, it's your boy JLG here, back at you with another video, and today I have a very special unboxing for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing the Air Force One G-Dragon. Now these were super limited, but I managed to get my hands on a pair to unbox for you guys. So I don't want to waste any time, I want to get straight into the video, but before I do, I need everyone to go down below, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel. And with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first up, as you can see, we have this amazing box here. Beautiful sort of pattern with this sort of weird looking text, but all comes together really nice. The front of the box, just a classic glossed Nike tick on the black. And we have this sort of pattern repeating on the other side as well, so I'll just flip it over. I got a size 8.5 today for you guys. But we're going to get into this, so I'm going to flip this up right now. Hold on a second. And we're going to pull them out of the box. Alright, so, wow! The quality on these, you can just tell, is superior to a lot of the other Air Forces, because these are just magnificent. Wow. Yeah, these are great. You can see this pair here, just a beautiful sneaker. We got the paint-like brushes of black, so like the strokes along the white sole. And then if you look closely, I know this is a dead stock pair, hold on a second. But if you look closely over here, you can see this sort of cracking on the shoe. And that's because what happens is after you wear the shoe, after like even the first day, you can really tell. But after just a day, I'll set this down here, what will happen is this black will peel away. It'll peel away and sort of crack open to reveal something similar to what was on that box that I showed you at the start, guys. So that'll be the pattern that's underneath the black, underneath the shoe, and that'll be sort of revealed as that crumbles away. I'll bring out the other pair now. This is the pair. We got like a little tag here. I'll show you guys. There's a tag. It says artist, and I really can't read that title. Just Do It, Nike 1988. Peaceminusone. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure. And I'm not going to unds it, so I'm not going to take this little tag off. But if I just lift up the laces here, I'm sure you guys can see in the sole. So I've got that same pattern as the box. And then, of course, factory lace, beautiful white laces. Also does come with a black pair of those. So if you want to switch it out, go more of a black look, you can always do that. What do I do? I'll push this back in now. Set this one down here. But yeah, guys, I really like this shoe. I think it really comes together nicely. The only thing is, it does sort of look to the naked eye right now just like another basic Air Force One. But when it does crumble away and it does start to become sort of more unique, I really think it will be an awesome shoe. I'm going to be selling this pair because it isn't my size, but otherwise I would definitely have to keep this pair, because look at even just the smallest little details, like these red lace tips on the laces. That's just stuff that I really pay attention to and really complements the shoe so nicely. But overall, great quality shoe, great quality sneaker. Alright guys, that pretty much brings me to the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to go down below, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and while you're down there, hit the notification bell just so you don't miss out on any of my future banger videos coming out, so you're always updated. But until next time, guys, peace.
Bitch, I put my line on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, so but watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fuck the shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like it's a crime. Bitch, I put my line on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, so but watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fuck the shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like it's a crime.